In coronavirus coverage, while the rest of the state is showing signs of the Omicron wave coming to an end, hospitalizations in the San Joaquin Valley continue to be on the rise. CBS 47's Natalie Vera joins us live from CRMC in downtown Fresno with the latest on the numbers. Natalie.
Well, here at CRMC, nearly 70% of people hospitalized with COVID, they're unvaccinated. And this is, of course, an issue that health officials have pointed to in the past, talked about our low vaccination rates and how this is why we're lagging behind the rest of the state. However, they did mention today that they're working with the state to up staffing and potentially open about 100 more beds here in Fresno County. The Omicron variant continues raging in Fresno County with 581 positive patients at this time. And the health department says it'll be another few more weeks before we see any change.
And this number is not waning. It's continuing to rise.
That's in contrast to a statewide trend showing cases are falling.
57% of our total population is fully vaccinated.
At community regional medical centers, 67% of patients hospitalized due to COVID are unvaccinated.
Most of the counties have surpassed what the Delta variant hospitalizations were and are actually encroaching on or passing up the hospitalization back in the winter surge.
Dan Lynch says there's also an unprecedented number of patients in the ER with non-emergency conditions, some of them showing up for testing.
The hospitals still have a lot of employees that are out on isolation.
Right now, the county's working with the state to up staffing.
We believe we could open up close to 100 more beds in the Fresno area if we have the staffing available.
The EMS director says the county will continue its assess and refer policy, which means they'll decide which patient to transport to the hospital on a case-by-case basis.
We have assessed and referred 409 individuals away from the hospitals. That's about 30 to 35 average a day.
And the county did say at this time there's no plans to open up any alternate care centers like the ones we saw back in 2020. Reporting live here in downtown Fresno, Natalie Vera, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.